Jamesy, what you eating?
So you see, God is like a shamrock.
Oh, great shamrock, you are powerful.
No. This is simply a metaphor.
Is that yummy?
Great metaphor.
No. God is like a shamrock because he is three persons in one. He is God the Father,
Is it yummy?
God the Son.
I don't like pink spoons.
You're so bad.
Why don't you like pink spoons?
Because they're not my favorite color.
Say they're for girls.
They're for girls.
It's Baskin Robbins. That's the color spoons Baskin
Sorry,
Robbins
big guy. I
has.
should have thought about that. That's all they had.